In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance the tone, clarity, or grammar of your documents using Copilot. It's easier than you might think and can significantly elevate the quality of your writing. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to open your document in either Word or Outlook. This could be any piece of writing you're working on, maybe an important business proposal or just an email you want to polish up. Once you have your document open, go to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here in the Home menu, you're going to see an icon that says Copilot. Click on that and a new pane will open up on the right side of your screen. This is your workspace where you can interact with Copilot and get the most out of its features. Now, with Copilot ready to assist, take a moment to select the text you want to improve. You can do this by simply highlighting the section in your document that needs polishing. Once highlighted, look back at the Copilot pane. There will be a selection of options available. Choose Enhance to start the process. Copilot will now analyze your selected text, identifying areas where the tone, clarity, and grammar can be improved. At this stage, be patient for a few moments as Copilot works its magic. Once it has finished analyzing, you'll see a series of suggestions on the right-hand panel. These are tailored recommendations specifically aimed at making your writing sharper and more effective. Carefully review these suggestions. You might find Copilot recommends changing a word or two for clarity, or perhaps restructuring a sentence to make it more concise. If you see a suggestion that resonates with you, click to apply it. But remember, these are just suggestions. If something doesn't align with your writing style or the message you're trying to convey, you're not obliged to accept it. You remain in full control of your writing, with Copilot serving as a helpful guide rather than a strict editor. Despite the simplicity of this process, here's a crucial tip. Always keep an eye on the overall message of your writing. Ensure that the suggestions enhance your voice without altering the original intent of your document. It's this balance that truly refines your work. To wrap up, once you've reviewed and applied the changes you're happy with, make sure to save your document. This preserves all the enhancements you've made under the careful guidance of Copilot. And there you have it, a more polished, professional-looking piece of writing ready to impress. Whether you're enhancing a simple email or refining a detailed report, employing Copilot can make your writing more impactful with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and happy writing.